What's going on, guys? Adam again, back with Atomic Garage, and today we're finally putting the wheels that we painted on the BMW. No more monster trunking, no more big fender wells. We are going to put the wheels on and hopefully they fit. Coming up in this video. Alright guys, so the car is jacked up on one side, and before we go any further, I'm going to show you what we have for the car. So, I know I need wheel spacers for the very front because it will hit the coilover. So, we've got some pretty meaty boys that are going on there. So, for that, we've got some really nice wheel spacers from KSP Performance, and man, I love the way these look. Just a nice, great performance piece here that many people overlook and go with the cheapy smeepies like I have before, but this time let's bring for something nicer. And to go along with that, these are 12 mil spacers, and we've got the longer 39 millimeter studs to go with it. So we're going to zip these off, and as soon as we zip them off, we'll start throwing them on this side. Woo. I put it on the first setting to try and break it loose. It's really just for running it on. I wanted to try it anyway. Second setting, made quick work of it, snatching them all. Old wheel off. Set these to the side. And behold, 235 60 17. This is a big boy. Will it fit? I'm not sure, but let's go ahead and get the spacer, throw it on there, and we'll try and fit her up. Super light. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for these. KSP Performance, not sponsored, wish it was. Very nice. Woo. I got this tool off of Amazon as well for $7.99, something like that, or maybe it was $8.99. You throw this on and it helps you guide the wheel on. Makes it a ton easier. Anyway, let's keep going. Look at that. Wow. Oh yes, and still got some space on the rear, on the front. Can't wait to drop it down, see how it looks. Oh my God. Oh baby. That's it. The idea was always in my head, and it is here. God, that looks good. The black lug nuts. I gotta do something about the center cap, but that is okay. Old girl needs a good cleaning, but wow. Yo, I'm excited, yo. Let's take it for a drive. Let's take this car with these wheels for a drive. 235/60 17s.
A few inches later.
Couple feet off, and it runs, which is to be expected. It is definitely to be expected. It rubs back here pretty good. It rubs up there, but God, it looks good. I'm tempted to send it anyway.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So we are back at the house. I didn't make it but down the street and back, honestly, because it is perfect, but it scrapes, which I was trying to be aggressive with the tire size, but not trying to be too aggressive with it. And honestly, that is where I have a problem. Now, under the car, on the inside, all the space in the world, it's not rubbing anywhere. I use that cheaper spacer on the back of here, and that definitely works out to my advantage. Fitment still isn't perfect, but it works. Now, the problem with the backs is the front here. It barely scrapes, and when the wheel moves back and forth, this definitely scrapes. So what I may need to do is put out a line and cut. That's what I might have to do. I don't want to, but I might have to cut it just to give me just a little bit more, then blend it in, and hopefully that'll look good. Do that on both sides on the rear, and the rear will be perfect then. Moving on to the front. Moving on to the front, I will have to do the same thing. Make a, the tape, kind of taper it out and cut it, and then clearance it with a hammer. And then I probably still will have to pull the wheel wells out of the front, honestly. But you know what? I kind of feel like it's worth it. I got used tires, but these tires are actually really good. I've got 3 matching Cooper tires. Again, 235/60 17s. And then I've got one different tire. I can't remember exactly what it was, but they all have decent tread pattern. The reason why I went used is because, again, guys, I wasn't sure if it was going to work. So I would hate to commit to brand new tires, mount them up, and then I can't even return them. Which with these, I probably can't as well, but again, look at it. That is, whew, just beautiful. Well, that's going to be it for me, guys. I'm going to have to do some further work, but looking at the BMW, it looks totally worth it, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Tell me how you feel about the BMW, whether you like the white wheels on it. I feel like it's perfect. I was tired of the black wheels. I hate Plasti Dip, and this is just the perfect option in my opinion. Do you think I need to see about getting some different tires that's a different size or what? Comment section below, let me know. But woo, it looked good to me, guys. I'll catch you later. Peace.